Wise bank details rejected. Fix. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix when Wise rejects bank details. Step 1, check the bank details. Double check the account number, sort code, IBAN or SWIFT BIC. Step 2, verify recipient name. Make sure the recipient name exactly matches the name on the bank account. Step 3, check country and currency support. Ensure the bank and currency are supported by Wise. Step 4, use correct formatting. Format UK accounts with sort code and number correctly, and international accounts with IBAN and SWIFT BIC. Step 5, contact Wise support. If it still doesn't work, contact Wise support in the app with the recipient details and error message. Tips: avoid spaces or special characters. Confirm international transfer eligibility and save screenshots. And that's it. You now know how to fix Wise Bank details rejected. Thank you for watching.